So instead of what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to start is I'm going to do the video in silent mode, and then I'm going to record over it and dub over it, so you won't hear my keyboard noise. And I'm going to use OBS Studio and then take it and record over it, narrate over it, as they say. Okay, so go ahead and get into your sudos and all that. Sudo. All right, let's get that out there. All right. Okay. Sudo, and then get into your root directory. Get into your MariaDB and then use Northwind. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a correlated subquery. Last video we did a regular subquery, but a correlated subquery, it's the reverse of a subquery, kind of. It's the inner query depends on the outer query, whereas the regular query, the outer query depended on the inner query. All right. So we got to select our orders, customer ID, employee ID, and order ID, and we're going to require date from, and we're going to do the same table, but we're going to do table aliases to each. We're going to just pretend that one table is two tables by using alias. Okay, orders as order 1. It's the letter O, uppercase letter O. It's not the number 0. And no, we won't do A, we'll do O1. And then where order date is equal to, and our select statement, select max. So I'll explain this after this processes. All right, max order dates from orders O1 as O1 as O2. Okay. Where some of you are probably just going ahead, getting ahead, and all right. Order where O2, where order O2 dot orders. Employees. The field employee ID equals to employee O1 employee ID. So I made a mistake. It should be employee 1 O1 employee ID, then employee 2 order ID, because it gives kind of a limited result set here. So let me get ahead a little bit here and show you the actual query has the results we actually want. So what we've done here is we've done our selected our inner query is our outer query is actually dictating the inner query. So we're getting our inner query is a select max order date. So we want the maximum order date from our employees. That's what we're wanting. And for each employee. But thing is, what if an employee has multiple orders? on that same maximum date. For example, here we have employee number 2 has a maximum two orders on that maximum date. So that's what this query actually does. We're correlating the inner query to depend on the outer query for each row of the outer query. Okay, so now you know how to do a correlated subquery, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.